Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's make these simple cookies together for this Xmas. Here I have my butter, so I'm just going to put it on the bowl. I bring it out from the fridge before I use it. So the next thing, I will add my sugar. Here I have my sugar, so all the measurement will be on the description box. So the next thing, I will add my egg. I use 1 egg for this recipe. We don't need much, guys. So the next thing, I will add my vanilla sugar also. So I just add 1 sachet of it. So I will add my baking powder also. So now I'm going to stiff my flour. I will stiff it and I continue mixing. Now I'm just mixing everything together. We just mix until I have the dough. So just keep on mixing, guys. I'm done with the mixing. I have my dough here. So the next thing, I'm just going to cut the dough into 2 because I'm going to put chocolate on one side of this recipe. Keep on watching, guys. So here I'm going to divide it into 2. I will add 1 spoon of chocolate for one part of the dough. So I also add coconut flakes on the other side of it. So I'm just going to mix everything together before I continue with the rolling. So now the next thing is just to put the dough together. I'm going to roll it right now in my hand. So I take a little pieces of this. I also do the same thing with the other one. I'm going to join them together. Just watch and see the way I'm demonstrating on the video. So this is the design I'm going for today. So I just put everything together. It's Christmas, of course. This is our Christmas tree. You can see the way I'm decorating it. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share to friends and family. God bless you as you do so. Guys, we're almost done. So this cake will go for 160 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, guys. Our cookie is done, guys. Look at it. It looks yummy. Of course it is. It also tastes amazing. Look at the 2 color. It was really delicious. I really appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like and share to friends and family. See you on my next video. Bye bye.